Assalamualaikum friends, Apparel Mockup bundle of 2024. All files are PSD and full customizable. You can edit everything in Photoshop. First, you need subscription for access of my all files. Sheri skpwd.com. You need subscription here, and then you can get access of my all new and future and present files. First, close Jacob PSD, and here fashion Apparel Mockup, double t-shirt, front t-shirt, man hoodie, t-shirt, man straight mockup, and t-shirt. All files are PSD for Photoshop. You can customize easily front and back in PSD file. One for PNG, just preview, and second file for Photoshop. You can customize front and back. Open this one, double click here, and you can put your own logo or text design and press Ctrl S, and automatically you design here. I know you know. Next, jacket waterproof and player mockup uniform for scout jersey, sweatshirt, t-shirt, uniform in PSD file. Next, winter gloves. I hope these are useful for you. You need subscription for access of these files. Take care, Allah Hafiz.